Alright, so we got the recliners in. It was a project and a half. You know, they're the covers, I ordered those on eBay. Obviously they're made in China probably. I don't know where, but I'm assuming. This was on the console of my truck, so I wasn't using it, so I made a cover for this. And it comes back over the back. I got a strap there pulling it tight, but I may have to put another one up here. So a little bit of work to get these things in here. And you can't reach down in there, so I had to put a rip cord on the pull handle. So when you sit down here, you can grab your beer. I don't drink beer, but I drink steel. Cold one. I gotta check and see if this thing fits in the cup holder. Ah, damn. Yeah, gonna have to check and see what's going on here. Yeah. Oh, damn, man. Are you kidding me? That freaking thing is not gonna fit in the damn cup holder. Are you freaking crapping on me? Ah, for crying out loud. You know, that just blows the whole deal. I'm ripping them out of here. Nah, I ain't gonna. But you gotta be kidding me. That's a big disappointment right there. Now, why wouldn't you make the cup holder big enough for this? I don't even know if I can get the damn things out of here. Oh, hey, wait a minute. Oh, yeah. Ooh, look at that. Son of a gun. Well, the old lady ain't gonna want one, that's for sure, over there. Because she don't drink this shit. Just me. Oh, yeah. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, that might be alright. As long as there's no holes in it. Put that bad puppy in there. Yeah, we'll just throw this in here. We got the beamer in there. That's for when the bears come around, I can spotlight them. Don't you know? So, handy dandy beer cooler there. It was quite a bit of work putting these things in here. This ripcord deal. I had to sew these things on here because they didn't come with anything to hold them on here. So I kind of had to sew these and make this. Yeah, you heard it first right here. My ma, God rest her soul, she made sure we knew how to sew with a sewing machine. So when I met my wife, she bought me a sewing machine. And of course, everything I do, I make if I can. Anything and everything, I don't care what it is. I'll sew it together. I gotta fix this here. Yeah, I didn't break that, but somebody else did, so I gotta fix it. So I'm gonna get a 14-foot piece of pine. My neighbor's got a planer. I'm gonna plane it down one whole piece, because you can see they had a square here like this. But I had to take it off in order to get the gun rack on here. Got the eagle, got the bear, got the wolf. So, but I'll fix that. That's next. That and the pocket door. So there you go. They're in. It was a bit of a project. You got to be really careful about screwing anything into the floor, because the people who had this before me, they must have did something with this booth. I don't know what they did, but when they screwed the thing back down, they put the screws in too deep, and it ripped the floor. So I put stuff on it, and I'm gonna have to put some more stuff on it here pretty quick. But when they screwed the booth back down, that booth slides across this floor when it comes in here. This whole slide slides in. It's a 13-foot slide. It's pretty big. And that just lifts up out of there and it slides in. And when they screwed this back in, they must have put the wrong screws in it or something and put it back in. So you got to be careful with that kind of stuff with these things, because, you know, I tried to anchor that down. I used really short screws, but I got a feeling the screws are just going to pull out. So, but this is a 13-foot slide with a booth. You can take this, you can take your booth apart. They all come apart. This had trim over here. I took it out a long time ago because I bring my guitar with me, and I practice while I'm camping. But this is, you can see this is 70 inches right there. You know, that's pretty much the end of it right there. 70 inches. They're 70 inches long, and you know, this is like 42 inches deep. So yeah, I got my guitar rack here. And I made this for my CD player, DVD player, whatever you want to call it. Because the fucking TV's a piece of shit. The fucking stereo's a piece of shit. Camping World sucks. Yeah, so anyway, don't buy anything from Camping World unless you want a real freaking ass pounding. Yeah. I mean a real one. I'm not talking about no shitty half-assed one. I'm talking about a real one, man. So anyway, there you go. The table was screwed when I got it. That used to fold down so that you could sleep people across there, but we don't bring anybody with us. And my granddaughter's, she's only 2. She wouldn't be staying with us now anyway, but I had to fix it so that I could at least use the table for us. And so there you go. It's a RockWood 2014 2608 WS. It's an ultralight. It's made by Forest River. And I mean, you know, I bought it used. There's a lot of things that, you know, they could have done better. I mean, but if you've ever worked on any of these things, I mean, the screws go this way, they go that way, they go that way, they go that way. Whoever puts these things together, they don't intend to practice screwing the screws in straight. I can tell you that right now. And it's just really shoddy work. And it's one of the biggest name campers too, so so much for that. But anyway, there you go, RockWood. And of course it's nighttime, so we're not making power anymore. But we are plugged in here anyway. We're at home, so we're not off grid. So like, subscribe, there you go. RockWood 2014. The recliner job.